years. A lot of FEU influence on this team.
Well, of course, because it starts with their head coach, Coach Nash, a former UAB champion with FEU. And to your point, they have Cyrus Torres, LJ Gonzalez, and this guy, Sandagon, who opens up the game with the first 2 points.
The Kiwag pops out. The Kiwag fires. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Michael Mabulak, who joined the 1,000.
10 points.
LJ. Nice pass to Minerva, who knocks down the jumper.
I love that shot because it's a high percentage.
Hesed Gabo. Mabulak providing the pick. Hesed attacks and scores. Sandagon. Domark Matiliano has found a home here at Quezon. LJ, layup is good.
What a beautiful executed play.
Gonzalez quickly to Matiliano. He is open and he knocks it down.
So Pigagon and Minerva, yung experience nila last season, sigurado ko makakatulong yun. Another 3 from Quezon.
Gabo looking to push quickly to the Kiwag. And the Kiwag, the layup is good.
I just love that.
Gonzalez is still in the process of trying out the capability of each of his players in terms of his system. So far, he is happy with the performances of his young guys like LJ Gonzalez, Cyrus Torres, with a combination of Judel going against Ian Melencio and Hesed Gabo, as we can see. But there are still more players to infuse the system too. Domark Matiliano, Lander Cannon, Christian Bunag, Jesse Saitana, even Will Gozum.
Here's Tolentino. James Bautista in the ball game. Kasama si Ian Melencio.
Nice pick.
Bautista. Lays it. Lagrama.
Nice move.
With a dribbling display. Goes to Torres and he knocks it down.
And that's the 3rd time already. Ball screen of Taganas, able to create open shots. That time, a 3-pointer. Binawi naman kagad ni Melencio.
Ian Melencio, 4-point game. Under 2 minutes remaining in the first period. Gozum off!
4th time.
Oh, went up.
Maaga pa lang, nagche-chest na yung mga coaches.
20-15. Fuentes recovers and scores.
And guess who was defending the ball screen? As Fuentes. So just look at the lineup right now. You could argue that Gozum is a 5. Natanggap niya. He knows what to do because he plays like a guard. Tulad nun. Other of the game.
Biggest lead of the ball game, 25-15. Robin attacks and scores on the layup.
That's a miscommunication on the ball screen.
Oh, good line though. Jason Apiso to Del Gravera. Bautista bumps into Abundo and nagmamadali. Ian to Japs. Bautista, left-handed scoop is good. The ball game. Melencio. Vince Tolentino makes his move. Vince Tolentino, whoa, that was pretty.
Block, you cannot give up that right shoulder as you saw the move right there by Tolentino, up and up and step through.
Goes to Sandagon. Simon Sandagon, what a move.
Inatake kagad yung malamig na given up by Quezon even before the timeout of Villonar for his 2nd shot. Makes his first 3 in the game. LJ goes back to the ball again, but he gets a favorable matchup against a slower Villonar.
Oh, LJ Gonzalez just blows by.
LJ the ball. They were trying to prevent him from doing that. The Kiwag binawi naman kaagad of the empty corner ball screen.
Sandagon. Fuentes fires. Yes, sir.
Beautiful action right there, but he did not force to get the ball, and beautiful steal by Gonzalez. Credit the last 5 points to him because that backdoor play prior.
Gabo. Hesed, jumper. He will get the roll.
Oh.
Gonzalez, drop pass. Sandagon keeps his poise and puts it in for 2.
A Talk about familiarity between
LJ Gonzalez looking to push. LJ Minerva from Fuentes for 2.
talk about
Here comes Pangasinan. Melencio. Oh, what a shot. 6.
dunk.
He had some nasty plans there, but look at Ian Melencio.
Before his first layup in the paint got blocked. But the last two, even though it was challenged by the same man, number 18 Torres, 2 or maybe tied the ball game up. Heading into the fourth, Hessen Gabo, first steal in the second half and also the first 3-point play. What a way to start.
The Sandagon pick. Gonzalez, the kick out. Torres pulls up. The jumper is pure. Galing LJ. Melencio with the steal. Gabo. Oh, biglang the Kiwag. Step back 3. Off. Meneses with the offensive rebound. Meneses! Off the glass and in. Will give them the lead. The Kiwag wide open. Yes, sir!
You know why?
Abundo. That's Jodel Fuentes. Link para sa kanila, but Jodel Fuentes misses. Gravera puts it back in.
I love the play call after
Inside, Gravera with a hammer.
sa backpick ito.
The game is brought to you by Buenas. Naiwan si Meneses. The attention.
Hitting the shot though.
William Moore to tie the game. Wala. Meneses again.
Stop talking about Pangasinan.
Esed Gabo. Fade away over LJ Gonzalez.
How about two-step?
Nerva. Nice pass to Sandagon with the reverse.
Ganda ng connection ng Bix, Nerva at si Sandagon. First quarter pa lang nangyayari na yan.
Gabo to Havillonar for 3. Yes, sir.
Especially after his college days.
Yeah, at NU. Gonzalez to Sandagon. And Simon Sandagon for LJ. There's the Kiwag. LJ, step back jumper.
Second straight today.
Nice recovery there. Mabulak inside. And Michael Mabulak. Nice pass to Gozum. Bagsak si Will Gozum.
Wow, I can't believe that no call.
Gabo. Oh! Again.
I can't.
Gonzalez. Fuentes for 3. That's good. Robin will fire. Bautista again. That's good. So 7 seconds are in the game. Gabo will fire. And will that count?
Looks like it.
Let's watch this.
Dinepensahan to
Oo.
Hindi ito yung pinabayaan lang. Ayan, pinarapan nila Grama.
No, I don't think so.
Mukhang hindi counted.
Oo.